Today we going to introduce how to programming the BMW keys via OBD methods on bench with our BMW Locksmith key programming bench platform. Connect the platform and the CAS4 module well, then open the power supply button. Put the working key on the key detect area, then press the CAS4 button on platform. Connect the key programmer, open the software. Select the right immobilizer type, then a pop-up will show that the modules need pre-processing. If you already back up the CAS4 module data, click Yes, to proceed pre-processing. When the module's under programming process, this cluster light will black out. After the module complete programming process successfully, it will be light up again. You can click Generate a dealer key, then follow the notifications to complete adding a new key. Press the CAS4 button continuously to keep the light on. Enable the device to communicate with the CAS module. After the pre-processing progress bar appear, then can stop press the button. Click Generate the dealer key, select the key position, input the ISN code, click Next. Can use our DME adapter to read the ISN code from the car DME. Put a blank key to the programmer key slot, click Next. Then put the key to key detect area on the platform. The software show the key already programmed successfully. The new programmed key can light up the cluster, the key programming process complete.